The origin destination tool visualizes the flow or movement between locations, and it helps to highlight trends in spatial interactions. Therefore, we need a geometry layer and a matrix table. For a detailed guide on adding a layer, watch our Adding a Layer video. The geometry layer contains all the locations, and all of them has a unique ID field. In this case, it's a number ID. Our origins, Stuttgart's ID is 8111000. Our dataset shows the commuters who live in Stuttgart but work elsewhere. The matrix table contains all the information about the connections, the origins and destinations name, first two columns, and their number ID, third and fourth column, and the weight of each relation, which is the number of people commuting, fifth column. The number ID of the origins and destinations correspond with the IDs on the geometry layer. In this line, we see that 20 people who live in Stuttgart commute to Oppingen daily. For better visibility, let's hide the geometry layer. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel, select Geoanalysis, then pick Origin Destination. Select your geometry layer, then its designated unique ID field. Select your matrix table, then its origin, and then its destination fields. In this case, those are the city of residence and the workplace. These columns should have the corresponding IDs with the geometry layer's ID field. The type of column can be different, string or number, but their value has to match so that they can be joined correspondingly. Then choose the weight of each connections. This column shows the number of commuters to one destination. And press. The calculation takes a couple of seconds with this amount of data. Let's style the relation layer based on weight for better visuals. Learn more about attribute-based styling from our designated tutorial video. Changing the point layer's color can also help for better visualization. These points are the centroids of the municipalities in our geometry layer. If you directly click on a feature, you'll see its attributes. This relation shows the commuters from Stuttgart. It has the origin ID. To Oppingen, it has the destination ID. The weight is the number of daily commuters. You can find the layer's legends on the left side panel at Legends section. Here you can see the values belonging to each color on the relation layer. In this case, the darker the color, the less commuters are on that connection. You can also apply a filter according to the needs of your analysis. Here I'm filtering the weight of relations to only show connections where the number of commuters is at least 150 people.